Hey guys, it's K-Lag back with another video, and we're gonna be doing when kids sound like when they're on drugs and all that other stuff. Ready? Okay, my friend's gonna go first.
When kids smoke weed. when kids smoke weed.
I don't know.
When kids are drunk.
Cheese. And when kids are on, when kids what's it called? Say when they're on crack. When they're on crack. And that's gonna be it for my video. So peace out.